Hey everyone, it is time for the Miss Ink Stamps new release for March 2020, and I am so excited to be a guest designer for this release. This release is so totally fun, and I'm going to be using the Painting the Roses stamp set and the Pick a Card stencil for this card. It's a really easy card, but I used a couple different mediums on my background, and I really think that that's a super fun background. So let's get started here. I'm sorry that you are totally seeing my hair, and I'm going to call this my quarantine hair because clearly I need to brush it, but I'm a mom and there's no time for brushing when you have to explain to your kids why we can't go to the park and to play dates and such. So anyway, here I have the Pick a Card stencil, and I'm going to be using some purple tape. You can use masking tape, washi tape, whatever you have. And I am just masking off the red portions of the stencil, so the hearts and the diamonds, and I'm left with the clovers and the spades. And I'm going to be blending on some black soot distress oxide ink. Any black ink will work. You could use a dye ink, just regular distress ink, whatever you have. I just decided to go with this distress oxide ink. So once I have masked off all of those little hearts and diamonds, I'm just going to go over and blend this ink on, and it's going to be super quick. And then I will remove this masking tape, and you're going to see the pattern that I'm left with. Once I blended on that black soot ink, I removed the masking tape, and then I replaced it without lifting up my stencil. I replaced those stripes of masking tape over top of where I had ink blended the spades and clubs. And I am left now with the diamonds and hearts open, and I'm going to take some of this red glitz glitter gel and just scrape this over the top. And this is going to give me a two-toned or two different medias on my background. So I have the inked spades and clubs, and then I have those glittery, glitzy diamonds and hearts. I set that panel aside to dry for about 30 minutes, and then I colored up some images from the Painting the Roses stamp set. I cut them out with my scissors, and now I'm just going to assemble my little scene. I love these little, I think they're called topiaries. I just thought they were so super cute, and I decided to color the roses red. I had tried a little technique where they were white and kind of dripping with the red paint, and it didn't look so hot, so I just ended up coloring those roses red. I love that there are a bunch of other little elements that you can put in this little card soldier's hand. I ended up going with the pruning shears because I have this little wheelbarrow of roses that I'm going to put next to him. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a mixture of liquid adhesive and foam squares to add all of these little characters and accessories onto my card. And then once I'm done there, I stamped a sentiment with red ink onto a strip of cardstock. I trimmed one edge into a banner edge, and I'm going to put that flat, straight edge up underneath the little soldier guy's shoulder-ish area, so it kind of looks like it's coming out from the side there. And I'll glue that down onto my card with some liquid adhesive. And that's going to finish off this card. I hope that you liked this fun background and a way to mask off the Pick a Card stencil and then using the Painting the Roses images on this card. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye!